Hello, trading and investing fanatic. Today we're going to go over APXT. So APXT has been with me for almost 5 months. I bought it sometime around December 17th. I got 200 shares and so far I'm down about 20% or so. But how I did sell covered calls. So I'm able to get down the cost basis of the stock to about $11.30. So the company has really good fundamentals. It's not in debt. It's ran by a good team. TJ has done a really great job. I did quite a lot of research on them. Now, the problem is because it's a SPAC still, and it's lumped together with the tech, and also until the SEC can actually finish their investigations and actually get APXT to finally approve them and merge to become APVT. I believe that's the ticker that they will be going after the merge. We won't be seeing any sort of positive upwards movement until then. So I don't know when that's going to be. If they take another month and a half, then I would think APXT would chop around $10 to $11 for quite a while until we get a news like, we're going to merge on this day. And that's when I think people are going to get excited, and then they might consider, you might see a pop, right? I don't know if we'll see it, but currently, no. So I want to talk a little bit about APXT. So initially, they did really well, right? So that's the reason why I bought it as well. And then we keep hitting $17.50 as, well, $17 as resistance, and we never closed above it. So we came close to this day. Yeah, we closed at $16.95 was the highest close. So chopped around, we broke down, and then we came down. That was the correction of the SPACs, and then we have been in a downtrend ever since, and now we're chopping between 10 and 11. This is actually the closest you can get for a SPAC price. So most of the SPACs currently are all trading in like $10 to $11 range, so it's back to where it's at supposed to be. So anyways, what I see in the future is as long as we don't go below 10, well, pre-SPAC, it won't go below 10 unless there's some crazy like market crash or something, then maybe we'll see it. But basically, we have the floor at $10, so it'd be pretty safe. I did sell 2 covered calls at $10 to actually gain the theta decay for each day. Because if you look at the contracts, I'm going to go to the options contract, and you can see that if you do sell the contracts, you have a theta of 0.004. So, which means every 2 to 3 days, you get $1, right? So, it's still better than nothing. And it also gives me some downside protection. And I know the stock's going to be chopping around for between 10 to maybe came back to 12, right? But I'm not too sure for at the current position. So, selling this is going to give me just theta decay. And I don't expect like I said, the price to kind of go above 11 or maybe 12 because we've got all these moving averages and there's no news in sight. So don't give up on this, guys. I know there's a lot of people that are watching this video probably owns it as well, and I am too. So as much as I want to see it go up, but right now we just got to be patient and wait till price tells us where it wants to go, and then we can act accordingly. So my future plan is just to hold it and sell calls at $10, maybe to the $12.50 if we can get pretty good premium. But so far the premium has died down, the volatility has died down, so there's really no incentive to really get the $12.50 call. It's only like 25 cents for the June, and we're not even past May yet, so it's really not lucrative right now. So it makes sense. There's no volatility, there's no news, so rightfully so. So that concludes the APXT stock analysis. Hopefully this was kind of able to help you look at the big picture, and I will see you guys in the next video.